guys, welcome to my bathroom series. It started to be a thing. Should I carry on bathroom series or should we come back to our usual background? Some videos just make sense to be filmed in a bathroom, but let me know. This video I'm gonna be reviewing JOICO, the joy of healthy hair products. I got this box of so many goodies and I was about to wash my hair because, as you can see, hair is in a bun. That means only one thing. Needs a wash. So I got so many goodies in here, so I thought, why not to let you know if this is any good or no. Let me just quickly show you what exactly I have in this package. We have the Moisture Recovery Moisturizing Shampoo. By the way, the brand is pet approved, so it's obviously vegan and cruelty free. It's all the products that I've been using for at least a year now. Or two, probably two. Oh, it smells so nice. Can't wait to try. Then we have the Hydra Splash Hydrating Mask. Two different conditioners. Volumizing conditioner for plush, long-lasting fullness. Ooh, this is what I need. My hair is very fine. Definitely gonna use this. And another is a Hydra Splash Hydrating Conditioner. Then we have loads of different styling products. So one of those is Joyful Volumizing Styler. Anything that says volumizing, volume for hair, I'm up for it because my hair is so thin and so fine. Like, I have a lot of hair, but it's just thin. I always like volume. So Volumizing Styler for plush, long-lasting fullness and lift. And then I have different styling products, including the Joy Whip Firm Hold Design Foam. 3 more styling products, like a Joy Gel Firm Styling Gel, the Back Comb Effect Spray. So this definitely gonna give some volume because it's a back comb spray. It says my structure, my rhythm. And one more product I have in here is the Paste Flexible Adhesive. Let's start from brushing my hair. It's quite greasy, as I said. Okay, so my hair is quite greasy, as you can tell. I'll get my hair wet and then apply mask and then we can use shampoo and conditioner. So let me do that. Okay, my hair is wet. Let's apply the mask. Okay, mask is on. They say to keep for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go downstairs, have a quick coffee, and I'll come back to use to wash this off. Alright, 5 minutes gone. Let's wash this off. I think it absorbed into my hair because my hair feels nice and soft now. Okay, let me wash it up and I'll come back to you. Wash my hair off. Let's apply this Moisture Recovery Moisturizing Shampoo. Just gonna lather this in. Let me wash this off and then we can go with the conditioner. Okay, shampoo is off. Let's try the Joyful Volumizing Conditioner for plush, long-lasting fullness. Okay, I'm gonna keep this for like 2 minutes and then I'm gonna come back to you guys. Okay, 2 minutes are gone. Let's wash this off. Okay, I washed my hair, towel dried it and brushed it. It was so super easy to brush actually my hair. Let's try this Joyful Volumizing Styler for plush, long-lasting fullness and lift. So we say to apply 1-2 pumps, go evenly throughout the hair, roots and all. Another item that we have in here that I can use just now is the Joy Whip Firm Hold Design Foam. Okay, this is on. Let me go blow dry my hair and I can show you how this looks. Alright guys, I'm back. As you see, I dried my hair. I didn't do anything actually, I just blow dried. I didn't, specially comb it to have more volume or anything like this. Just the way it looks. I also did my makeup, as you can probably tell. So this is how my hair looks just now. I think it looks very glossy kinda, very healthy. I definitely can feel volume in my hair because my hair, as I said, is very, very thin, very fine. So I never ever have volume in my hair. So I can definitely feel that. Yeah, loving this. What do you guys think? I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more. Let me know what you think in the comments down below and what you would like to see next up on my channel. Do you enjoy watching a review video? Should I do more similar videos like this? And yeah, I shall see you soon. So thanks so much for watching and bye! Have a fantastic day guys. Ciao for now!